We all deserve to be happy. And the truth is, most of us are not aware of how to bring happiness to our life. And so today I'm going to talk to you about what I've been doing to be happier and just start enjoying life again. The way I'm making myself happier is I'm focusing on my self-image. And I was guilty of that for a long time, I would say even up to this year. I really thought I knew what my self-image was, how I had a grasp of it, had a hold of it, and I thought I was being happy, but the truth was I wasn't, because my self-image wasn't completely surrounded around myself. Meaning, I was still looking forward. What do I want in my life? I don't like being depressed. I know what that feeling feels like. I know what it does to my body, and been there, done that. I need to really define my self-image. So microdosing has helped me a lot with my self-image. And I came to the conclusion that, that was me talking to myself, explaining like, I can change my self-image at a moment's notice. But like going through those and actually talking through that, I started realizing I was like, I can even be a better person.